Finding the average rate of change of a function given its graph. The graph of a function f is shown below. Use a graph of the function to find its average rate of change from x equals -5 to x equals 3. Simplify your answer as much as possible. First, I need to find the 2 points where x equals -5 and x equals 3. So x, my x-axis, I'm going to go to -5 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is -5. So I'm going to be finding the average rate of change from this point here to where the graph is at -3. So 1, 2, 3, this point here. So what I really will be doing, what the average rate of change really means, is I'm just going to be finding the slope between these 2 points, because that's the average change between those 2 points. So there's a couple different ways I could do this. I could just count my slope. Okay, so I'm going to do rise over run, because that's what the slope is. Okay, so I'm going to start here at my left point, because we read graphs from left to right, and I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So up 4 and over 2. So my rise is 4 and my run is 2. Now, I wouldn't want to plug this into Alex because it says simplify your answer. So I can see that a 2 goes into 4 and 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So my slope is 2. Okay, so this would be my answer. Now there's another way I can check it, and that's using the slope formula. So first I need to think about which each of these points are. -5, -3, and -3, +1 are my 2 points. Okay, so I'm going to use the slope formula, the change in y, so the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so this is a change in y over the change in x. So my y2 is 1 minus my y1 is -3. My x2 is -3 minus my x1, which is -5. Okay, when I subtract a negative, that really becomes plus. Same thing here, I have -3 plus 5. So that becomes 1 plus 3 is 4, and -3 plus 5 is 2. So already I can see that I'm right on the same track here. So I simplify, and it becomes 2 over 1, or 2. So the average rate of change between this point and this point is just my slope between those 2 points, which by checking it, by counting on my graph, or by using the formula, I find is 2.